ladies and gentlemen, this is Sabir. I want to introduce you to the new Samsung Bespoke Washing Machine. It's come with the AI technology, AI panel. AI panel gonna change your life more easier, more efficient. Now, just imagine one washing machine doesn't clean your clothes only; it will understand your habit, your preference, your needs. Ma'am, this is the new technology we have. A new bespoke washing machine with AI technology, ma'am. So this is more efficient.
What the difference?
This is like a certain program, madam. Here is two languages coming, only two language, English and Arabic, which is mentioned here. But here have a four language. If you have any kind of like maid, any country, there is a four language, ma'am. They can you can change the language. You can use this one very easily. Also, this is as far from your home, you can connect with the smart thing application and you can update that things. You can you can set your laundry planner, you can set your laundry recipe, home wizard. Like I'll let you know laundry planner. What is the laundry planner? That will like when you are going to duty, put the clothes that time, and when you are coming from the duty, just set the laundry planner. That time you will come. That time your clothes will be ready. Also, the home wizard, you can monitor your washing machine, how it is working and how much each day it will take the electricity consumption. Home wizard, that one. And laundry recipe, which cloth you are using. You just put lot of cloth here. That time you can select the clothes like jeans and whatever you put inside. That time it will give you separate cycle to wash your clothes very smooth. That is the technology. That's the power of the AI technology, ma'am. So, are you ready? Which one you like?
This one. I will pick this one.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Please come. I'll make the bill.